Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DMARC reports using Postmark or mail logs step by step clearly. To verify DMARC reports using Postmark or mail logs, first, log in to your Postmark account. Navigate to the Reports section in the main dashboard. Locate the DMARC report option and click on it. Choose the domain for which you want to verify DMARC reports. Select the specific date range you wish to analyze. View the summary of the DMARC reports presented on your screen. Examine the alignment of SPF and DKIM results. Take note of any failing sources and the reasons listed for failures. Cross-reference this data with your sending sources. If you want to validate with mail logs, go to the Activity tab in Postmark. Search for the relevant email entries using filters. Check the delivery status and SPF/DKIM authentication results. Look for any bounce or issue messages tied to the emails. Analyze patterns in the data over the selected period. Document any issues or inconsistencies in sending emails. Use this information to adjust your DMARC, SPF, or DKIM settings as needed. Once adjustments are made, monitor future DMARC reports for improvements. Repeat these steps regularly to maintain email deliverability and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.